In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payroll in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to enter your company and employee information, run your first payroll, handle payroll taxes, and generate the right reports to keep everything compliant and organized. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account, then head to the payroll section from the left menu. If this is your first time, click Get Started. Enter your business details carefully, including your employer identification number, your business address, and the necessary tax information for the states where you operate. Accuracy here is crucial. Make sure the EIN and address match what's on file with the tax authorities to avoid setup errors and delayed filings. Next, begin adding your employees. You'll need each person's full legal name, their address, whether they're salaried or hourly with the corresponding rate, and their tax withholding details from their W-4. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, this is a great time to turn it on, since it speeds up payday and reduces check handling. Double check every tax and identity detail before moving forward. Now refine your employee setup by going to Payroll, then Employees. Click Add an Employee, fill in the pay rate, choose the pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or another cadence that matches your company policy, and confirm the tax withholding selections. If you're using direct deposit, enter the employee's bank information securely. Save when you're done and repeat for each team member. When it's time to pay your team, go to Payroll and select Run Payroll. Choose the correct pay schedule for this run. Enter hours for hourly employees and confirm amounts for salaried staff. Carefully review gross wages, employee and employer taxes, and any deductions that apply. If something looks off, pause and adjust the employee profile or time entries before proceeding. When everything is accurate, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state income taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and any other configured deductions, so you can see net pay and liabilities clearly before finalizing. To take care of payroll taxes, open taxes, and then payroll tax, review the amounts due and their due dates. If your subscription has automatic payments enabled, you can click Pay when prompted and let QuickBooks process it. Depending on your plan and settings, QuickBooks can also file certain forms on your behalf. Make sure those preferences match your compliance needs. Finally, generate the reports you'll rely on for reviews and audits. Go to Reports and search for Payroll Summary for a period snapshot, payroll details for employee level breakdowns, and the tax liability report to track what you owe and what's been